The crew were from all walks of life. We had sort of a hotel owner who happened to be a Scot, Derek McCutcheon, and he was absolutely superb as the lifeboat mechanic. But we had teachers, we had ones working in hotels, ones working for government, a great range, but there was this sort of camaraderie about them, and we socialised quite a lot. We'd have, after a bit of a nasty trip, we'd go back to the Point Hotel, and the Scot there would give us a slightly something to liven us up, and also we'd have Christmas or New Year meal out somewhere, but obviously we couldn't have a meal out too far away, simply in case there was a call out.